Holi, the fabric and ephemera bundles are finally here, friends, and they are as beautiful as the new fall season. I hold this time of the year so close to my heart, not only because I am in love with the color tones of autumn, but also because Day of the Dead is approaching. Day of the Dead themed fabrics and papers have a special place in my heart. It was after my father's passing that I discovered junk journaling, and it saved me in so many ways. I was writing letters to my father to help me manage my loss. Those letters turned into journals, and those journals turned into creative, decorative handbooks with one-of-a-kind pages. Each element represents my father's love for his family and his culture. It is my way of keeping his memory alive and somewhere to physically place all the love that I could no longer give to him. Viva la Vida are the blue-toned bundles, inspired by the bright and lively spirit of Mexican Frida Kahlo. It celebrates life, nature, and the dreams of everyday people. Each fabric bundle is accompanied by an ephemera folder. All the paper pieces can be easily removed and used in your personal crafting. Like this floral embellishment, it can be decorated with a quote and used in your journaling. You get a unique set of buttons and an envelope with sweet treasures to use in your creative projects. There is a mix of Day of the Dead and vintage ephemera. Each bundle has authentic vintage ephemera, all in Spanish. Some bundles have receipts, book pages, and they all have a large magazine page from a 1940s Mexican lifestyle magazine. The pages of the base of your folder can be tipped in your journals, and they act as an interactive flip-out page with gorgeous images. Each bundle has a set of scrapbook scraps with Day of the Dead, Halloween, and fall themes. I'll leave my previous video link below with the ideas on how to use these paper scraps. No fabric or ephemera bundle is alike. So here is a closer but quick look at the additional ephemera folders. Picking your favorite will be hard but necessary. El Último Beso, The Last Kiss are the pink and purple toned bundles. As you can see, each set has 4 bundles. The blue set had 4 fabric bundles with their respective ephemera folders. The pink set has 4 fabric and ephemera bundles, and there are 2 more sets coming up, green and orange, and each will have 4 bundles as well. That makes a total of 16. I had a lot of interest when making these, so please mark your calendars. The release date and time will be revealed towards the end of this video. The pink bundles have the most Day of the Dead fabric and ephemera as well. They also have really gorgeous traditional Mexican textiles. I hope you enjoy the pieces that I chose to make these bundles. We created these ephemera bundles together in my previous video. I included a lot of my digital papers and my favorite book pages from Mexican textile books. Delicate pieces that remind me of Catrina dresses, and lots of pink papers to give dimension to your creations. I had been hoarding these vintage pieces, but it was easy to let them go in these bundles. I know this is cheesy, but I really believe that the things I create are meant to be in their new homes. I create them from a place of healing, and I think they are destined to be with someone who is on a journey themselves of healing or trying to figure it out. I always hope that my work connects with someone who needs color to uplift their spirit or who just enjoys vibrant art. Pasajeros, passengers, are the green and red toned bundles. I hope you guys don't mind that I get a little vulnerable here, as I tend to, but I imagine these green tones and florals to be that foresty pathway that I in a lot of ways had to make for myself. I became independent at an early age, but I had a hard time understanding that I wasn't alone, that those two things are not the same. And that made the biggest difference in my ability to manage my sadness. Of course, for everyone it's different, but for me, I could count on a support group, people that I kind of magnetized with because their outlook and support is what I needed at that time. And I feel like that with the junk journal community and the things that I create. It's the community and creations I need right now to manage the things that I'm going through today. And I'm so incredibly thankful for it and the people that I've met along the way. We're all passengers, but we're all still so important and on our own journey. I hope that these unique pieces help you express yourself while on your journey. I particularly love this green kit because it has so many plants, which remind me of personal growth. I hope you like what I've put together here for you. The final bundles are named CEMPASUCHIL, marigolds. Just like the marigolds, we have an emphasis on orange tones. Mexican marigolds are the flowers we use to decorate our Day of the Dead altars. To me, preparing an altar can be a very therapeutic session. When I go through the pictures of my dad, it's really nice to recall the stories of each picture and celebrate the time we spent together. Where did he go now that he's gone? Is he dancing to the beyond? These are lyrics to a beautiful song I will link below that reminds me that despite his departure, marigolds will continue to be born, and every autumn we will be reunited. The ephemera I selected for this bundle is an homage to family, to spending cozy night-ins with your family and friends, and remembering that having each other and sharing moments is something that we should cherish in the present. And I'm thankful that this form of art helps us record those moments so that we can remember them in the future. You can start journaling and creating beautiful crafty projects with your bundles this weekend, as they will be available on my Etsy shop Friday the 20th and shipped in one day. I will leave my Etsy shop link below. Leave me a comment letting me know which bundle you will be grabbing and if you're dedicating a project to a loved one. If you have a different creative project in mind, please share it below as well. I am always blown away by the amazing paper and fabric crafts this community comes up with. And while you make that hard decision on which bundle you're gonna take home, here is a look of the final ephemera bundles. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos that I upload to my YouTube channel, for your interactions on my social media posts. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me if you haven't already. I left all my links below. And set your alarms for Friday the 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to grab one of these beautiful bundles that are truly a work of art. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.